You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this curious word. I know it's confusing, and yes, the pronunciation is indeed confusing. The spelling is confusing, but the pronunciation is too. If you want to learn more medical terms that are confusing, I've got more videos for you you'll want to listen to. Stay tuned. Nuchae, that'd be the basic pronunciation. So you can either have a new sound at the beginning or a new sound, right? So new or new. Generally Nuchae. Now, it can also be pronounced as Nuchae, alright? But generally it's Nuchae. If you say Nuchae, you're very safe. But the other pronunciations are also correct. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.